Hello Grade 7s. In EMS this week we're going to be looking at personal statements of net worth. Now before we get into that, let's think about what your worth is. Well, when we think of what somebody is worth, we normally think of how kind they are or how honest or responsible they may or may not be. This is known as their personal worth. What does God think your worth is? Well, God thought that you were worth dying for. So your worth for Him is great. Right, let's look at statements of net worth. A statement of net worth is a list of all your assets and all your liabilities. And we draw up statements of net worth if we want to, for example, borrow money from the bank. They need to see what you are worth before they are prepared to lend you money. And if we subtract your liabilities from your assets, we end up with your net worth, what is left over at the end. So let's go and have a look at a statement of net worth. On the left, Rachel Gilk has given us a list of her assets and her liabilities or her debts. She has a cell phone. She owns it, so it is an asset, and it is worth 1,500 Rand. She has a loan from the bank, which means she owes the bank money, so it is a debt. And that is for 20,000 Rand. She has money in the bank, which belongs to her, so it is an asset. So it goes in this section. Of 4,700. She has a credit card, which means she owes the bank that money, so it is a debt. And that is for 1,350 Rand. She has a clothing account, which means she owes that money, it is a debt. For 650 Rand. She owns a car, so it is an asset, and her car is worth 130,000 Rand. And then she owns furniture, which is an asset because it belongs to her, and that is worth 46,000 Rand 500. Right, these are all her assets, and if we add those up, it comes to 182,700 Rand. These are her debts, and if we add those up, we get 22,000 Rand. Now remember, your net worth is your assets minus your debts. So it would be 182,700 Rand minus 22,000 Rand. And then we will know her net worth. And 182,700 minus 22,000 is 160,700. So her net worth is 160,700 Rand. That is what she is worth on paper. Now in exercise 6.4 on page 71, you're going to do a statement of net worth for Zolili Gwagwa. They've given you a list of all his assets and his debts, and I want you to draw up a very similar table to this and fill in his assets and his debts and find out what his net worth is.